Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzum with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, and I am on day number 2 of working here in Norwood, Young America, and just finished the Kiwi trellis and got the Kiwi in the ground, and now I have to build 2 grape trellises and get 30 grape vines in the ground. Gonna get all the grapes in the ground today and finish the trellises up tomorrow, and then mulch everything tomorrow, because my mulch order isn't gonna be here till after 6 tonight, so cannot do that today. So I gotta extend this project one more day, but I'm gonna go outside my truck here, I'm warming up, and show you the Kiwi trellis and show you. So let's get out of the truck and go on a little walk, shall we? All right, I'm gonna turn you around here in a sec and show you what we got. Here we go. All right, that whole row here, those are elderberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 elderberry, and then this is the Kiwi trellis. I don't know if you can see that all the way down there. And I covered all the kiwis up with leaves, and so they will vine. You can see they're all dormant already, but they're gonna vine right up this trellis, and they will take up about a 16-foot width or 16-foot span. So we have 6 kiwis planted here, and you can see that, put the vine in there, and they will spread out and cover this entire trellis, and you'll have a nice wall of kiwi. And so that's what I did yesterday, and tomorrow I'm going to come and saw the top of those off, and it'll look pretty, I guess, if a trellis can look pretty. But I'm going to go on the rest of the property and show you what we got, but I'm going to get my gloves quick. Because it is only like 29 or 30. It's not bad though. I've been out here since 8:30 outside working, and I haven't been cold one time other than taking my hat off. This is our raspberry area. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18 raspberries, and that's gonna be a nice big raspberry hedge in a couple of years. This is gonna be huge, and they're not gonna know what to do with all them raspberries. And if we come over here, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 blueberries, and obviously they're really tiny right now. They're hard to see, but they are obviously dormant. But those are in the ground. And we come over here, we're getting back to where I'm going to be putting in the grape 260-foot long grape trellises with 30 grapevines, so 15 on each trellis. And all right, I have to put my hat on for a second, so I'm gonna set you down for one quick second like that. Sorry about that, but I gotta cover my big ears up, and I'm bald, cover my head up. But these are what we got here. These are Viburnum Blue Muffin, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, they're all gonna grow and basically make a nice big hedge right here. So it's kind of be a privacy hedge also. Okay, and on each side of these, I think these are pears, pear trees all the way down. There's gonna be a grape trellis here and a grape trellis here. I don't know if you could see that line right there. So we're gonna start digging holes a little bit. There's all the grapes. And what do we got here? Oh, these are a couple more raspberries, black raspberries. So those are gonna have to go somewhere. And these are gonna be planted today. Well, we got shagbark hickory and a black walnut. So those are going to go in this area here, kind of, yeah, right in here somewhere. And then what we got here, I think these are the American hazelnut. We got 5 of those in the ground. There's one, and another one up here. Or 1, 2, 3 up there for sure. Oh, there's 2 back here. Okay, there's 5 of those, and then there's gonna be 2 chestnut trees that we'll be planting in the spring when we can get a hold of them. And then we're also gonna be, this whole little area here is an annual garden, or used to be an annual garden. This house has been vacant for quite a few years, and the person we're doing this for just bought the house in September, and this is gonna be booming with food everywhere. There's gonna be so much food here. It's gonna be so amazing. And then we're gonna put raised garden beds in this area here, 6 raised garden beds. And there's gonna be a horseradish area back there. There's gonna be an artichoke area and asparagus beds back in the back corner where those grape trellises are going. So this is on like a acre or more, and yeah, this is what you can do and have food everywhere and support yourself and be self-sufficient. And I don't know what this tree is, but might be, could be a cherry tree. I don't know. I'm not sure. And that one, I don't know what that is. I'm not sure what those are. But there is food everywhere. There's an apple orchard. You know, there's, I think, 12 apple trees over there. There's some, I'm gonna put 2 rows right here. I'm walking through the blueberry patch. 2 rows, 4 peach trees and 4 nectarine trees are gonna go here next spring. They were all out at the nursery, so we didn't get those. And those will be going in. And it's gonna be amazing. There's gonna be so much life on this property. And if you look out in the distance, all you see is gonna be corn. That's it, corn. But there's gonna be so many varieties of food growing on this property that I'd rather have that than corn. Because you can grow corn here too, but you don't need all this fields of corn. You gotta turn that into other food, better food. But anyway, that's what we got going here. And yeah, we're just trying to get this stuff done. And we ran into a couple cold days, so we're trying to rush this. The ground is not frozen yet because this is the first cold day. So we should be okay. And I will finish this up tomorrow. But that's what we got. You know, over this winter, you should start planning for next spring. And get a hold of me at Travis at foodforesteabundance.com or foodforesteabundancemn.com, and we will design your backyard property. If you have a lake home and you want to plant fruit trees and berry bushes all around your lake home, I mean, once you plant these trees, they take a little bit of TLC in the beginning, but once they take root and start maturing, there's nothing you have to do. They're a tree. You know, every tree around here, look at, nobody does anything. These trees grow. they go to sleep for the winter and they wake up in the spring. And so you have food every summer. But we will design the backyard of your dreams, the property of your dreams, whether you have 1/6 of an acre or you have 200 acres. We will design that, and we will also install that and plant it out. So get a hold of me, like I said, or you can send me a text at 612-990-5345. Don't call. And I usually don't answer because I get so many spam calls. I let it go to voicemail. So it's better to text me and tell me what you're texting me about, and I will be able to get back to you. And let's get your yard design. And yeah, that's about all I can say. Anyway, have an amazing day, my friends. Happy Veterans Day from a veteran. Hoorah, Semper Fi. See you later.